Hello, today we will guide you through how to find journal entries in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set the right dates so you can quickly review all your journal entries. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in as you normally would. Once your dashboard loads, look to the left-hand navigation. You'll see a series of main menus. Select Reports. This is the central place where QuickBooks keeps all your financial reports, and it's the fastest route to viewing journal activity. On the Reports page, use the search bar at the top to type the word Journal. This search helps you jump straight to the correct report without scrolling through categories. When you see the journal report appear in the results, select it to open the full report view. You'll now be on the Journal Report page. This report displays each journal entry line by line, showing the date, accounts affected, debits, credits, and any memo details. Before reviewing the details, adjust the time frame to make sure you're seeing the period you care about. Click the Report Period field to reveal the date controls. You can choose a preset range, like this month or last year, or you can set a custom period. To set a custom period, click the From field and select the start date you want to begin your review from. Then click the To field and choose the end date. Picking a broad range is helpful if you're not sure when an entry was posted, while a tight range is best when you know the exact window you need to audit. If you're not seeing the entries you expect, try expanding the dates to capture a wider period. After setting the dates, scroll down to view the results. As you move through the list, keep an eye on the columns for the entry date, transaction number, memo, and the debit and credit amounts. If you're investigating a specific adjustment, the memo field can be especially helpful for context. Large data sets may take a moment to load, so give the page a second if it's still populating. Also note that your permissions and company settings can influence what appears, so confirm you have access to all relevant accounts if something seems missing. That's it. You've navigated to Reports, searched for the journal report, set the report period by choosing your From and To dates, and scrolled to review your journal entries. With these steps, you can confidently locate and review journal entries anytime you need.